Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today we have some more news about the Walmart Full HD. This is the device that just does 1080p and below, so 720 and 1080p. Right here, this is the Walmart pulls its on HD streaming stick off its website, likely to make room for its upcoming replacement. So we're going to get into it, but if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. So let's get into the article by AFTV News. Y'all know that's one of my favorite sources for getting information about, some of the latest streaming devices. So on here it says Walmart has taken its entry level on HD streaming stick off its website. And yes, they have, because I checked it on my end and it's no longer available. But I guarantee if you go into Walmart, you will see 1,000 of them because nobody is buying this device. All right. But if you can make it work for you, then this would be a great Christmas present for somebody. All right. But it says the old product page now leads to an error message stating the page couldn't be found. While the retailer frequently struggles to keep its streaming devices in stock online, this removal is unlikely to be solely a supply issue. Walmart typically leaves out of stock on streaming models listed on its site for months. So this disappearance likely means the company is preparing a new listing for the updated version of the On HD stick that recently passed through FCC approval. I don't know who's going to buy this device. I'm just letting you know. That's just my opinion. No hate to devices like this, but to me, it just doesn't serve a purpose in today's time. The current On HD stick is the second generation of Walmart's basic 1080p streaming device. It was released near the end of 2023 and was the oldest model in Walmart's lineup of Google TV devices without a recent successor. Walmart On 4K box is older, but it seems like the newer On 4K stick is direct replacement, even though both remain listed on the Walmart site for the time being. It says Walmart increased the price on the On HD stick a second time just a few days ago, so it seems highly unlikely that the streamer has been removed because it is being discontinued. A new On HD stick passed through FCC approval a few months ago, but it appears to be identical to the existing model down to the same model number. The key difference is that the current version is manufactured by SDMC, while the new version is made by Skyworth. Walmart likely removed the existing On HD stick product page to set up the new listing in the future, making it easier to internally differentiate. I mean, differ, differentiate. You know what I'm trying to say, right? The two versions. I expect to see the entry level streamer return to Walmart's site once the new Skyworth made model become available. So, um, it's crazy how this goes. With this device right here, um, it is crazy because I don't see nobody getting this device unless you're mad at someone, unless you don't care about somebody's feelings. It may be one of your ex enemies. You're mad at your baby mama, maybe your baby daddy. You getting them something for Father's Day, and this device right here. This is the device that you give to someone that you are pissed off at because it is very slow. The processor is slow. I did a video on this where I just shut it down after 30 minutes. And it took that long. And that's give and take that I actually paused the video waiting to go to the next step. It is very, very slow with this device. So I don't suggest that anybody get this device, just to be honest with you. Um, So in my case, if it was up to me, I would definitely go up to a 4K model. I think a 4K would be a little bit faster. It ain't gonna be a little bit. It will be a lot faster, and you can watch 4K content, including raw 4K content, even on your home network. So this right here is nothing. Nobody's going to miss this device. Again, nobody's talking about this device. It's really about the 4K streaming devices out here currently as of July 10th, 2026. But let me know, man, if this is something you're going to deal with, this something that you care about. I don't see that anybody is going to care about this device, just to be honest. I don't see anybody caring about this device. I don't see anybody putting anything up unless we're discussing things like this on YouTube. Everybody is going 4K or better. Okay, that's what it is. And even with the Android version of the Amazon Fire Stick, which is still up and going, which I think I'm gonna do a video on soon. Still, because like I say, some of these applications are still working on that device. You know, even though we done moved over to Google TV, a lot of third-party applications are still working on it. And like some people say, I'm a rock that Fire Stick until the wheels fall off, and I understand. So, again, do you care about this device? If so, let me know. Honestly, if I had this device, which I do have this device, but if I was to get this device, I would probably turn this into a retro gaming device, connect the Bluetooth controller up to it, and play Miss Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, Burger Time, some of the Galaga, Centipede. I would play those games instead of watching a movie and things like that. I mean, I would probably add a couple of applications, but it would probably be more of a retro gaming device, and that's just it. And again, just to kill time and turn it into something if that's what you need to do. There's so many videos out here that teach you how to add retro games to Android devices. You can do it. All right, but I would love to hear what would you do with this product if you had this product in your hand. Would you try to use it as a mainstream device to watch movies, TV shows? What would you do with it? Let me know in the comments. All right, this is Superdell again. Subscribe to the channel. Also, share this video, like this video, and click that bell icon and select all. That way, you get notified anytime I release anything on YouTube. And I apologize about the words. It's just a couple of words that I be struggling with, like constructive criticism. All right, y'all already know for the ones that have been rocking with me, and words like this differentiate. It gets me all the time. So sorry about that, but that's just how it is. I know what it means and all that, but it just doesn't come out right. All right, big salute to y'all. I will see you on another one. I'm probably gonna do a live as well, so we need to get down to some discussions. All right. I'll talk to y'all later, man. Y'all be safe. Peace.